So, hello everyone. Our GD topic for today is should physical education be made compulsory in schools? And who is going to start?
I'll start. I think that there is no compulsion in having physical education as a subject because everyone nowadays uh, seems it important to be physically fit, and having it as a subject, it will only burden the student because it will include the theoretical knowledge about it and everything. So the student might be burdened about it because he has to go through the exams and all, and he has to study for it. And rather than having it as a particular subject, schools have a sports and games period, so it must be included in that only. Sports club can be made in school, so that time to time interaction sessions can be held and workshops can be conducted and make students aware about it. And in those interactive sessions, activities can be conducted, and every week there should be a compulsory it should be made compulsory every week for having a particular time to devote towards a particular sport or whichever sport the student is interested in. So having interactive sessions all will make the student aware how it is important to be physically fit and what physical fitness is all about and why it is necessary nowadays. So I think it's not necessary to be it as a subject, rather than it should be included with the sports and games period that we have in our schools.
Who wants to go next?
Yeah, you can continue. Yeah, you can continue.
I'm totally agree with the Kanishka's point. I also feel that physical education should not made compulsory in classes in every classes, because if we talk before 10th, it's okay. Student will do it. When they came in +1, they have to prepare for the competition exams. They everyone's go to their own way, so we can't force them for the physical education. And if we say about the physically fitness, everyone is conscious about their fitness. It's the era of fitness. So if we include physical education as the physically fitness, then it's not a case. And if we say about the theoretical part, as Kanishka said, it is not that important, because everything that we study in physical education is yoga, awards, volley track. Only those students need it which are included in sports. If someone is interested in sport, they do their own level. We don't need to force them. So it's all my case that in my views we should not burden students with the physical education. And every school has a one PT period for every class. So if physical fitness will be in that, we can't. Okay, so that's all about my friend.
I don't know about physical fitness, but I think when I was a kid, like I'm still a kid, but when I was a bit younger, uh, I used to wait eagerly for my games period. So I think it's really important. Like at least for an hour, you have to sit out of your class. It's not about marks. It's not about knowledge. It's just about your favorite sports or even walking, anything. Like it should be compulsory just to free yourself from that academic burden and something like that. So it's important, yeah, of course. And those who are already interested in all, they will gonna find any way to do their sports. But for those students who are like lazy, there must be some compulsion for that. Like some people need some kind of burden for it. Like it's for their own good. So I think it should be compulsory. Thank you.
Okay, so like physical education is all about for the fitness and all for a student. So in my opinion, for the primary school students and for secondary school students, it should be made compulsory for those students because if a child is young, then it is easy to build a habit in those students. And like physical education is necessary, like sports and all is necessary for a student, because it builds discipline, sportsman spirits, and then teamwork, all kinds of qualities in a student. And also because as we discussed in our GD, in which problems in our society, like Sneha told us, obesity is nowadays a very big problem in our society. Like students hardly get time for themselves from school, from academics and all. So if physical education is included in primary and then primary and secondary schools, so it is easier for them to to be physically active and to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle. And also it is necessary for those students, because in early stage, if they get to know about the benefits of these things, then it would be great for them. And it is necessary to make them aware. And if I talk about the higher students, like when someone is in 11th and 12th, so they already have a academic academic burden on them, and they had to do so many things in a short span of time. They had to prepare for their competitive, they have to score well in their schools, and they have to take coaching classes and all. So they hardly have time for these things. So for them, it should be optional. And uh, for and primary school students, it should be made compulsory, so that they got to learn about the benefits of these things, and they can build these habits in their life. So they can easily maintain a healthy lifestyle. That's all my point. Devansh.
So, in my opinion, it should be compulsory in schools to class 12th as well, because as you said that students prepare for competitive exams in 11th and 12th class, and they hardly have time for physical activity. So it should be compulsory in schools, so that they can get time for physical activity and exercise, because it is also important for a healthy body and healthy mind. And for students of till 10th class, it should be compulsory, because it is important for their health, and also it creates different qualities like leadership, sportsmanship, etc. So in my opinion, it should be compulsory till class 12th in schools.
Yeah, you said it
But-
right. Like for students who are in 12th, they also need to be healthy. But if we teach them in a primary and a secondary education, so they got to know the benefits and benefits of healthy lifestyle, and they can easily take 30 or 1 hour time from their busy schedule to do some physical workout, and do something for their healthy lifestyle.
But having it as a subject in 12th class will only have to enroll in theoretical part, because it doesn't include practical knowledge about it. As you
It
said, the
includes-
sportsmanship. No, it doesn't include.
It is
I
there
don't know.
in my school. One teacher was there who teaches practically as well.
But how much I know about it, it only includes the theoretical knowledge about
No.
physical education and the awards and all. But having a practical knowledge of sportsmanship and all, it also includes in the games and the sports we play in the school. So having it as a subject will only burden the student, because he have to learn all these things and he won't get time to concentrate on other subjects. So this can be combined with our sports and games period, so that both the things are balanced. Student will get to know about it, and he also have a practical knowledge about it.
And I think schools should take necessary steps towards these things, and they should keep a better sports teacher and coach for the students, so that they can get a proper guidance and all. because nowadays we hardly see any sports teacher and coaches and students in schools. So it is also necessary.
Yeah, that's why I said that sports club must be organized in a school so that they time to time conduct workshops and have interactive sessions with the students so that they get to know about the importance of physical education.
Yeah, because doing these things can increase their productivity, and like they can focus for a longer period of time in their studies and all, and to maintain a healthy lifestyle, it is very necessary. And uh, it like when student is in the ground, then it is necessary that it is in like he or she is in proper guidance of any teacher and all, so that uh, injuries and all not happened. Anyone who wants to say anything?
So right now I'm in class 12th standard and I have physical education and it's all about theory. So rather than this, they can what they can do is they can arrange some equipments for like badminton rackets and shuttle, cricket equipments, so that this will inspire students to just play games who are interested in. Like if they don't have these stuffs, how will someone will be so much into it? And swimming pools, I think swimming is the best way to get fit. So yeah, it's a bit expensive for a normal school. I don't know about that, but yeah, it should be compulsory. And rather than just taking theory classes, it should be compulsory for some actual physical classes and physical tests. Like when I was in class 12, I was in hostel, which is Banastali Vidyapit. So it had some physical tests, like we have to complete like a set of some like hurdles and push-ups, something. So in few minutes. So and that included marks. So that was important. For that we have to practice for like a few months. I mean, we have to practice for that. So like that was all connected to physically. I mean, I'm done. Thank you.
Yeah, Diksha, you are saying right, because hardly the school has equipments and all for sports. So school should work on this.
My school has equipments, but the faculty they have, it's not much satisfying, because I have swimming. I had because 6th and 7th class student had compulsory swimming, so they used to take us to a swimming pool, and there the coach used to say, hold this wall and just do the tapping of the foot, only this, nothing. In every class he used to make us do the same thing. So the faculty was so bad that we never get the chance to learn it properly. So some schools have equipments but they lack faculty, some have faculty but they lack equipment, so it's very unsatisfying.
In my case, I had physical education in +1, +2 as a fifth subject. So if we talk about the physical things, then physical, we used to go in a ground, we used to play with, we were doing everything, and our teacher was very supportive. He used to instruct us, just do this and do it like that, it is good. Like they used to tell us that you should hold the badminton racket like this. They were good. Actually, faculty in my school is good, but if we, and physical education, we shouldn't burden them, because in my school every class has a one PT period for every day, and the teacher was fabulous. They used to guide every student, if you are interested in this, so you should start coaching with this. And my school was in university, so they obviously teacher was very good in the physical way, so everything was good, and we had 2 PT teachers in our school.
And also you belong to the state like which is famous for sports and all. That's why I think so. Because in like I have studied from MP, so they hardly have teachers for sports and all, and the faculty there was no one to teach sports and all for you to you.
We had 2 teachers in our school for
My
just
Yeah,
school, they just
that's what school has to improve. Like they have to provide faculty, they have to provide equipments,
in our
everything.
school had
They should know the
uh,
importance.
in my
our
school
school
they
had
just gave football and do whatever do you want to do with that ball. Only basketball and football were there in my school. They give football and do whatever do you want. We have played football using basketball, using volleyball. So there were no teachers to tell us. And yeah, I have seen around 25 to 30 students in one team playing for one team in football. So play. Actually, I played football from first class to 12th class. Uh, uh, yeah, I have played with football with KG students as well. Like I'm in 12th class and the students are of first class, because every few period we run to ground and play football.
Like instead of physical education, there are more options like dancing, aerobics, yoga, and and in fact that self defense. It's all part of like fitness. This could be a
Actually,
better
these periods
option.
are taken away by
everyone
maths
has
teacher or physics
own
teacher.
at their own level about the fitness.
Yeah, but there should be something in school and all. There should be something in school like aerobics and all, so that one can get the opportunity to learn, because nowadays not everyone is interested in studies only. If they get the opportunity to learn these things and get the exposure on the right time, so they can explore these things in a better way, and they can also make their future in these fields also. So it is
No,
yeah, see.
continue.
Actually, there are periods.
Yeah,
Actually,
in
these
my
periods.
opinion there should be like there should be exposure to these things and all, because nowadays everyone is enthusiastic about sports and all, seeing Olympics and all. Everyone is thinking, if I got the opportunity, I would also like, there it is kind of things uh, like it is kind of imagination. If I got the opportunity, I would do this, I would do this.
Yeah,
It's
yeah. Actually, there are millions of dreams,
yeah.
but they don't
So
have opportunity.
Imagination.
and that
And
कहावत like पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे नवाब, and खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब, should be broken now, and it's a high time now. It's a high time.
and if we say that physical education or sports is good up to 10th, but in when students came in +1, they conscious about their studies, that this is time for this thing. Now if we won't do it, then it will be like not good for their future. And when students get good college, or they good study in a good institute, they do their thing, they whatever they want to do. Like I'm in a dramatic society right now, but I didn't do anything related to drama in my school. I studied in +1 +2 so that I get a good college. Everyone do at their own level, and fitness is not a matter for physical education.
So
No,
I
that's
think if you
right.
don't do exercise regularly, you're gonna regret at some point of life, time in your life, because it will harm you. Like I'm also like I'm really busy now these days, but I just try to take my few minutes from day to just do some exercise in this room, damp room. So so it's important to do few exercise. Like if schools do not take action, then I don't think it will be possible for any student to learn the importance.
My father says that everything deserves time, but we should give them according to the situation.
Yeah,
If
but
it's
uh,
then we should study. If it's time to
I
play.
I
And
agree,
the
because
student
what is
wants time. for studies. It's a career making 2 years. They decide their your college, and literally most of the college decide your future. Everyone wants to get a good college so that they will get a good package or good faculty, good environment, and that's very important. For environment is very important, Devansh.
Actually, faculties are not good in every college.
No, if I talk about my college, faculty is fab, literally fab. If I call them at 12, they'll surely solve my problem. Like ma'am used to call me when every teacher called that whenever you have died at 12 p.m. 12 a.m. just call. We'll surely solve your problem.
Kanishka.
Yeah, I was just saying that I agree to Sneha's point, because even I have the same kind of thinking as I'm in a 12th class. So now I'm more focused towards my studies. And what I think is, when I get admission in a good college, then I do 2 months gym and get my fitness done, and then I maintain myself. So that's the thinking, nowadays the youth has. Will do 2 months, 3 months gym and we'll get fit, or we do have a diet plan and we will get fit. So somehow in 11th 12th we have this sort of thinking that will more focus on studies, and then later we can look forward for a fitness.
Yeah, 2 or 3 months are, yeah, I know it's diet. It's all about diet plan and exercise, but 2 or 3 months will only improve your looks, not your health. It's consistency which will make you healthier.
I am not agree with this point, because like there are various students who need like physical activity and all, so they have to do continuous these things. Like I am also from this kind, because I regular do exercise. If I don't do, I just put on my weight and all. So I have to take these things seriously. I cannot delay these things. I have to take 1 hour from my routine daily, and I just can't do I just can't avoid this time. And uh, that's why the physical education is also, like, physical work is also necessary for health. So
When
student
the
also.
consistency, but when the consistency begins, then you are regular about it. I'm not saying for the whole time, because I don't, nowadays I'm not getting time for all this. I'm more focused towards my studies. So I think when I'll get out of it, I'll make a routine and then look forward for more
Actually,
on my
we
fitness.
don't get out of studies. We have to study in college as well.
Yeah, actually,
More,
no
more
And
than
then
11 and
you can never take your time out. Like, the time will never come. You have to
Yeah.
you have to
You have
adjust
to
the
start
time.
now, or you will not get time.
Because
Since
I
now,
did the same mistake in my 11th and
Maybe
12th.
I'll realize it when I'll go to the college.
Because till
No,
12th I was my BMI was normal. I was okay. But after 10th boards and all, I was kept gaining my weight and all. Then in 11th 12th I hardly get time to these things. And I was of like the same thinking you are thinking now. Like, I can do it later after 12th and all. Then the whole college took at me to reduce my weight. And then in the lockdown only I reduce my weight on. So lockdown gave me the opportunity to these things. So you have to take your health seriously.
So what you say, that we have to take our health carefully, but it doesn't include physical education anywhere. It's our own level. We have to do at our own level for our fitness.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, like
Teaching is
before.
clearly a burden on student.
No. I was just saying for that point, like, I can do it later, just for that point, not for the physical education. I made my point clear earlier. Like for primary and secondary, it should be made compulsory, and for 11th and 12th, it should be kept optional. Because it should be optional for the student. If he wish to take, then it's okay. And if he don't want to take, then it's also okay. it should be personal. It should be personal choice. If he can take that burden and all, like if he can manage, then only he should take physical education. And if he can, if the time is clashing, like for coaching classes and for classes and all, and hardly he has time, so how it is possible to take this as like if it would be mandatory, then it is not possible for the student. Anyone wants to say? I think we have made our point clear, and we should end our meeting here. Thank you.